Leetcode Biweekly Context 178. Question number 1. First unique even element. This is an easy problem. There are going to be two conditions we have to check. We want to find out the even number first. It is even. Second, it appears only once. So how do we check if a number appears once? We can count with a dict. Number 3, once. Number 4, twice. 2, once. 5, once. 4, twice. 6, once. This is the first loop. Then we're gonna do the second loop, second time. For this time, we want to see even number is an even number. This is an even number, but it appears twice. The second even number is this one, and it appears once. So this is the answer we are looking for. But these are the steps we're gonna solve this problem.